Welcome to kraftipedia. Today we are going to see how to make a very simple logo. Now let's go into the video and see how to make it. Now we are going to make the logo by using the app Logopit Plus. Now I am going to open it. If you open, it will show a display page like this. There are many templates like logo, YouTube cover, YouTube thumbnail, etc. Now I am going to choose logo. You can use some logos which is built in. Also you can use photos from your gallery, but I am going to use the logos which is built in. There are many options. Now I am going to choose human brain. You can choose whatever color you need. Now I am going to choose black. And you can also adjust its transparency, rotate it, flipping it, etc. In this, I am going to add a text, Prananth. You can also adjust the fonts which you need. And you can also add custom fonts. You can even adjust the text size and the width of it, rotating it. You can also add some colors. I am going to choose red color. You can choose whatever the color you need. I am just making it to show it to you. You can also add some backgrounds to the logo, whatever the background you need. And also there are some preset backgrounds. But I am going to keep it white. You can also add some pictures from your gallery. Now I am going to show how to do that. Click that add picture. Now I am going to add this image. I am going to keep it here. That's all. It's simple. If you want to erase the background, click option erase. In here, if you give auto, it will automatically erase the background which you choose. Now it's ready. I have erased the background. Now our logo is ready. This is just a simple logo. If you want, you can make a professional logo. Now you can also download the jpeg or png logos. Now I am going to download JPEG logo. You can also rename it. And I'm going to download. That's all. It's downloaded. It's a very simple way to create a logo. I hope you all like this video. If you like this video, please try this and comment your feedback in the comment box. Thanks for watching. Bye.